Okay guys, welcome to the Facebook call to action button. Here we are on our Facebook page, Strategies for Top Entrepreneurs, that we created from scratch on this course. And now we are talking about the main button here, the main call to action on this page, and how I will show you in this video how to configure and how you can use the power of this button in order to increase the traffic to your website, to your business, and to generate more sales. All that I know is too much, but all that's coming on this video. Let's start. So here we are on the page, and if we put the mouse on the top of this button, we have these options: test the button, help people to learn more, view insights, or edit button. Okay, if it's the first time you are configuring this button, you will see learn more here and a triangle here. And basically, if you click, you will have the options to add your website, and that depends of the template you have. So let's start. You will understand all that by the end of this video. So let me show you here. If we go here to edit button, you see here that I can add my website. You can add any links here on this button. So basically, when they are on your page and they click on this button, you can decide where you want to send them. You can send them to your YouTube channel, to your web page, to your online store, to your schedule, calendar. I mean, depending on your business, you can do whatever you want with here. Also, you can send them to a landing page, for example. On this case, I add just for testing my diegodavila.com website, for example. So, but what are the other options? We have a lot of options here on this call to action, but they are not available here. So what's going on? The problem here, guys, is that we are using the template we are using for this Facebook page does not allow us to set more call to actions for this button. So let's change that right now. If you like this, if you like the learn more, and you like the option to have a link where you want to send your customer, that's fine. You can leave it like that. That's totally fine. But keep watching this video because you need to learn all the other options you have here on your hands. Okay, so let's go to settings here at the top, and we will switch the template to a different template. Probably you remember this if you are watching the course in order. You remember this section. We have the third option here is edit page, and the name of this specific menu may change over time, because as I told you before, guys, Facebook changed this very often. So here we are on edit page, and we have the template, and the current template is venues. So if we click on edit here, you see all the templates we have available, okay? And the one we are testing right now is business. So click on view details, and here you have the details, and click apply template. Okay, say okay here. Okay, the new template is business now. So now we are going back to the page, and we will take a look on that button, see if we have more options, more options to configure that. So click on page here on the top left side. And now on the button, let's go back here and click on edit button. Okay, so now we have options. What I did is I came back to edit here and click on back. So we go back to the main menu. So here we have all the options, guys. Look at this and you will be amazed of all the power that Facebook is giving us with this main call to action. So the first option is book services. If you have a business where people need to book your service, here is the tool that you need to use. You will love this. People will love this because it's easy to book services for your business. So here you see book now. Make it easy for people to book travel or appointment. If you have like a medical clinic, if you have any service store, you can use this 100% free. Facebook is giving you this power. So start order now, see options. Let's see the options here. So you have more ads that you can use here. We won't use this for now. Let's use the basic one. So if we click on book now, for example, again, we have the option to enter the link. On this case, we will have the word book now. Let's save the changes here. So you see that we have the keyword book now here on the bottom. So when your customers come here, they will click on here and go to your scheduling system. Okay, edit button. Of course, here the link needs to be the link to your scheduling system. Let's go back here. The second option is get in touch. So you have the options call now. Basically, when they click there with their smartphone, they are on their smartphone, they click call now, the system, Facebook, will automatically start making the call using your customer's phone the call to your company. So that's great. Contact us, send message. The send message option will open. You have the option to have an email. You can configure an email, or you can configure the Facebook message. Okay, the Facebook message is super powerful. Facebook is investing heavy on the Facebook Messenger. So if you need to start using that right away. Remember that it's super important. Just as a comment, let me add this. It's important every time people message your page using the Messenger, it's important for you to reply as soon as possible, okay? The next one is sign up. If you have a landing page that you want to send them, you can use the sign up and enter the link here. Let's see, get in touch. Send email, you have that option too. We have the learn more option. That includes the learn more, that is the one that we know we had before. We add the diegodavila.com link there, and we have the option to watch video. So you can select then to watch a video on a website and you enter the link, or watch a video on your page. If you have a video on your page, you can link that video with this button. So when they click here, immediately Facebook will start playing the video. So let's go back here. Choose another button. So we are on the watch video. Okay, the next option is make a purchase or donation. So you can add the button shop now and use the link driving them to your store. And if you have apps, if you are a developer, you have apps or games, you can add the button to download your app or play the game. Okay, and also you have see other options here. We are not going to this one because this is more advanced. Sometimes you need to pay for the API in order to have access to different options. But you see here all the power that we have for your business. So now your task is to think about all these options and put yourself in your customer's place and think what's the best call to action you can use for your business. So if you have a business that offers services, of course, you can use the book service, you can use the get in touch, you can use the watch video, you can use the call now. So they press a button and they are immediately calling to your phone number, to your cell phone, to your company's phone number. So that's amazing. I hope you find the right button here for you. In my case, I'll use for this test the learn more, driving them to the diegodavila.com page. So save that. Excellent. Wonderful. So now that we have the button, how do you test it? How do you make sure it's working fine? Basically, all you need to do is come here, and you have the first option is test button. So if you click that, let's see here, you will see that we are going to the main web page that we select here on the link. The link that we enter here on the button, okay? So that's how it works. Also, we have the option to view insights. If we click on that, we will see the statistics for your button. On this case, we just configured the button, and so we have one click. Let's see here, view insights. We have one click, right? 100% rate because I am the only visitor of this page, and the only visitor actually click on that link. That's why we have 100%. And you have a graphic here with all the clicks that you are getting on your specific button. I hope you like this. This is powerful, guys. Please implement this on your Facebook page right now. Think about it. If you are not sure what to use, just use the learn more or the book now and send people to your website. At least you need to configure that because it's important. Remember that also if you have a YouTube channel and your YouTube channel is super important on your marketing, you can link there to your YouTube channel by using the watch video option and putting there your YouTube link, okay? I hope you like this. In the next video, we are continuing with the course.